one last note about parentheses, or specifically about functions. We want, right? You might be asking, wait a second, why did this cause an error? Why were you able to, what's different about this fifth line than the other four? Well, these are functions, but I'm not invoking them. I'm not using parentheses on them. So if I want to, I can say the max of 1 and 5 plus the min of 2 and 3. Right? And by the way, order of operations still applies here. But where do what functions occur in that? Well, they're parentheses, and they get replaced by a literal value. So max of 1 and 5. Well, what's the maximum of 1 and 5? It's 5. And what's the minimum of 2 and 3? It's, 2. So 2 plus 5 is going to give us 7, and we print out that value. So you can nest these things, and I'm going to try my best not to be too to make it too deep and make these annoying. Right over here, we can say, because you could do something like this, but that's cruel and unusual. So, and you don't want to do that. That's just mean. That's, and hard to read. So, grand rule of thumb, you're not going to see me do this too often, something like this, because it's ugly for one. But second, code is meant to be read, right? You write it, but you're going to be reading more than you write, right? I just did this video, and like 100 people are reading this code that I wrote once. So code is going to be read more often, so you should make it easy to read, right? And we'll learn how to split lines up using variables, and I highly recommend that.